Good morning children. Today under EVS we are going to learn about different types of birds. First, let us know the names of variety of birds. Peacock, sparrow, eagle, crow, parrot, duck, pigeon, kingfisher, cock, myna, swan, and owl. Children, observe this picture. Now we are going to learn about the parts of the bird. Head, தலை. Wings, ரெக்கைகள். Beak, அலகு. Tail feathers, வால் இறகுகள். Feet, கால்கள். Let us see about the similar features of birds. Birds have two wings and two legs. Their wings help to fly and their legs help them to walk around. பறவையுடைய இறகுகள் பறப்பதற்கும் அதனுடைய கால்கள் நடப்பதற்கும் பயன்படுகிறது. Birds have a beak. They eat with the help of their beak. பறவையுடைய அலகு உணவை உண்பதற்கு பயன்படுகிறது. Birds have colorful feathers. The peacock is one of the most beautiful of birds. The male peacocks have colorful and very large tail feathers. Let us see some birds have different features. They are: some birds fly, some birds cannot fly. சில பறவைகள் பறக்கும், சில பறவைகள் பறக்காது. Let us see some examples of birds which cannot fly. They are emu, kiwi, penguin, and ostrich. Some birds can swim. Let us see some examples of birds which can swim. They are duck, swan, and water hen. Now, try completing the following exercise from your book. Connect the names to the birds. Tick the birds that can fly. Use your thumbprint to complete the pictures, children. Thank you.